Hello everyone, and today we're gonna talk about what's the difference between the words giggle, snicker, snigger, and chortle. They all can act as both verbs and nouns, and they mean to laugh or a laughter. Well, let's try to figure out each other's difference. Let's delve into them. Giggle. Giggle is quiet, silly, uncontrolled laughter. For example, like some children playing in the backyard, for instance, spraying water at each other with hoses, for example. So they're giggling during their play. Snicker. Snicker is a quiet, silly, but unkind laughter. For example, like that when someone slipped on the ice and the other people laughing. So you can say that they are snickering about it. Snigger. For me personally, it's just like sneaker, but it is the British word for it. So sneaker, snigger, practically the same thing. And chortle. Chortle is a laughter with pleasure. For example, like that during Christmas, when many people watching Christmas movies, comedy movies, playing games, talking a lot, joking, rejoicing, etc. So they are chortling, laughing with pleasure. Well, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Have a wonderful day.